In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send customer quotes using Pandadoc. Whether you're new to Pandadoc or just need a refresher, we'll guide you through the entire process step by step. So let's dive in. First, let's start by going to Pandadoc's website. You'll see the homepage with a promise to help create, approve, track and e-sign documents faster. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button located at the top right. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to the login page. For convenience and speed, let's log in using Google. Click on the Google button to do so, and then select the appropriate Google account you'd like to use for accessing Pandadoc. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Pandadoc dashboard. From here, look for the templates section. This section is crucial because it houses all the pre-made templates that can simplify your quoting process. Click on templates, which will take you to the next screen. Notice that you'll be brought to the template gallery. This is a hub of resources that can help you jumpstart your document creation. To find a suitable quote template, utilize the search function. You'll find a search bar, just click on search and type in quote. By typing in quote, you'll quickly narrow down to the template specifically designed for creating customer quotes. Now you might see a few templates listed. Browse through and select the template that best matches your needs. Once you've found it, click on the best option. This will prompt an action to use the chosen template, so simply click on use template. After that, a message will appear prompting you to continue, so go ahead and click on continue. Now it's time to personalize your quote. On this screen you have the flexibility to edit any part of the template to better align with your specific requirements. Add in details like client information, the items being quoted, prices, or any terms and conditions you wish to include. Personalization is key to capturing your client's attention, so take your time to tailor the quote to your preference. Once you're satisfied with all the edits and the quote looks good to go, you're ready for the final step. At the top, you should see a send button. Click on that and your customer quote will be on its way to its destined recipient. By following these steps, you've not only created a professional customer quote, but also sent it off for review in no time. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more confident in using Pandadoc for your business needs. Thank you for watching and best of luck in all your quoting endeavors.